Welcome to Automation Expo 2025, India's hub for automation excellence. I am Rishabh Kaushik and I am here to showcase Novimeq Automation at booth number E17, hall number 3. Guided by our motto, innovate, deliver and empower, we provide seamless solutions for automation projects worldwide, backed by our parent company, Epic Machinery. Novimeq provides expertise in executing brownfield and greenfield automation projects. We provide services that range from designing till delivery. With our solutions using virtual commissioning and testing, we can cut down your commissioning time by 40 to 50%. Our team brings years of expertise across heavy industries, including metals, paper and pulp, automotive, chemicals and oil and gas. We deliver end-to-end design, automation programming, virtual commissioning and IT/OT solutions for data-driven insights. The Epic Way aligns our global teams and processes, delivering an agile and strong company for growth. With Epic Machinery, we are shaping the future of automation. Thank you, and let's drive your success together.